Hey everybody, this is Shawn and welcome back to my channel. And so if you're catching this video, you want to know how do you handle a signing when the signers do not have a copy of their ID, right? So, hey, before we dive in, let me know what city or county, state that you are commissioning if you're a notary public. Let me know if you're already a notary signing agent. But make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification so you know when the next time I upload a wonderful video like this. Well, at least I hope this video is wonderful. So anyway, so this is how you're going to handle it, right? So when you initial get your job and you get assigned to a job, then you have to call the signers and confirm number one, the date, the time, and the location. So we'll call and say, hey, can I speak to Mr. Hayes? My name is Shawn Hayes. I'm going to be your signing agent for, your loan. This is what, I want to confirm the time is at 2 p.m. On this date, November, the 25th, at 3 p.m., right? And they would say, yes, yes, yes. I also need see a current valid ID or, proof of ID, government ID, preferably your driver's license, and also any other signers who's going to be on the loan to do the same. And also I will need a copy of each. Will you provide a copy? Will you provide a copy? They'll say yes, yeah, we can get you copies. All right, so you be like, yeah, I'm good to go. I'm good to go. You show up. They do have a copy of their ID, but they did not make a copy. They have the original in their hand, but they did not make a copy. You can handle one or two ways. The first one, you can say, hey, could you go ahead and with your cell phone, take a picture of the front and back and then email me, right? Email me or text me. And then when I come home, when I get back to my office, right? We want to be professional. When I go back to my office, I can print it and then include it in the loan package and then ship it, and then mail it off. Or you can say, well, you know what? Will you be comfortable for me taking a picture of your ID front and back? And so I have it on my phone. And as soon as I get to my office, right, my home office, right, I can print it out and put it in a loan package. And so you guys, something simple, something is a quick fix, and pretty much the sign is like, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. And because it's like, you know what, I don't want to hold up your loan because you don't have, copies of your ID, which is required of me to send off with your package. And so you guys, I hope that was helpful. It was a question asked in the comments, how do you handle that when they don't have a copy of their IDs? And so pretty much use your cell phone to print them off. I know you guys are probably busy and like, oh my goodness, I have to run back to my office to print it out. Use your own judgment of where to print it to. Maybe you can go to FedEx. You already at FedEx, see if they can go ahead and print it off for you and include it in your documents package and mail it off. But you guys, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment, and let me know, hey, does this seem like something that you can do, so that we won't be stressed out, because what we don't want to do is be stressed over assigning. And I know I have, and I'm trying to make sure that you don't go through the same thing that I have experienced, right, as a notary signing agent. So again, I'll see you in the next video. And down below, if you have not watched the video of how I created my notary badge ID, make sure you do so down below. Click the link. It's very simple. It's budget friendly. It seems a little bit professional when you do wear it when you go out to signing. So talk to you guys later. Bye.